With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, our today's question is the amount of arsenic pentasulfide that can be obtained when 35.5 gram arsenic acid is treated with axess H2S in the presence of conc HCl. Assuming 100% conversion is, and we have given the options 0.50 mole, 0.25 mole, 0.125 mole, 0.333 mole. So let's try to understand the concept. So arsenic acid is basically H3 AsO4, and when it reacts with H2S in presence of conc HCl, it gives arsenic pentasulfide, that is AS2S5 plus H2O. If we write the balanced chemical equation, so we have 2H3ASO4, 5H2S, that gives AS2S5 plus 8H2O. Now, we have given the weight of arsenic acid is 35.5 gram, 30.5 gram, and this is taken is infinite. That means excess amount of H2S is present. So our task is to find the number of mole of arsenic acid. So we know molecular mass of arsenic acid, that is H3ASO4, comes out equals to 142 gram per mole. So the number of mole of H3ASO4 will be equals to the given weight, that is 35.5 gram, divided by molecular weight, that is 142 gram per mole, and it comes out to be 0.25 mole. Now if we look at the reaction, so we can see that 2 mole of arsenic acid gives 1 mole of arsenic pentasulfide. So 2 mole arsenic acid gives 1 mole arsenic pentasulfide. So 0.25 mole of arsenic acid will gives 1/2 into 0.25, and this comes out to be 0.125. Now if we look at the option, so we have option number C as 0.125 mole. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.